A U.S. Supreme Court ruling could affect whether or not roadside crosses that memorialize fallen Utah Highway Patrol troopers stay standing.
The U.S. Court of Appeals for the 10th Circuit is deciding whether or not the Utah memorials violate First Amendment rights. A recent U.S. Supreme Court decision could provide guidance as to how they rule. The white crosses stand by the side of the freeway in solemn tribute.
People could drive down the roadway, look off the side, and be able to know that Utah Highway Patrolmen gave their life for their freedoms and for the things that they enjoy out there.
In November of 2007, a group called American Atheists filed a lawsuit. They claimed it is unconstitutional to have religious symbols placed on federally owned land.
That's where the problem comes in. It's the state of Utah endorsing this Christian memorial.
A U.S. district judge ruled against the atheists. Now the Court of Appeals is taking another look.
Our original hearing here in Salt Lake and with Judge Sam came out in favor of us, and I believe that that's how it will come out in the appeals court.
The United States Supreme Court made a decision last week in a similar case in Mojave, California. Their ruling, the crosses can stay. But is the decision applicable to the case in the Utah courts? Barnard says his case is a whole new ballgame.
There's a whole bunch of factors in our case that are not present in the Mojave Desert case that makes a lot of difference.
The differences include that the Utah crosses have the official logo of the UHP prominently displayed on them, and that most are on government property.
Ashley, what do the families of these troopers think about this?
You know, the families say it's all about remembrance, and Barnard agrees. He just thinks it should be done a different way.
Okay, great. Thanks, Ashley.